Hello friends, we welcome you. Today we will introduce you our new product, our new item which we call 3 liter electric kettle. If you will see here, this kettle goes up to 1850 by 2200 watts. We have shown you can make your favorite green tea, coffee, etc. Now if you will see this side, it has the special features which is boil faster, smart auto cut off, you can use every day, and perfect pour here this side. Let's do the unboxing and see. This one comes with the user manual, with the guarantee card, with the base here, the wire, you can store it properly. If you will see, base, cordless base, button for open and close this side, and if you will see, this is concealed heating element. Here if you will see, comes with the filter this side and with the transparent window showing 3 liter. Let's try and see the dry boil with auto cutoff. Here, hold on. This is with the LED light. We are testing the dry boil function in this for auto cutoff. Hold on. See, auto cutoff. Safety here, if you will see. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Please go through it.